All right, Staten Island Mall. Right now it is 7:38 p.m. and strolling out. It's Saturday, August 8th, 2026. Been here a while today, rocking some videos. So now we're making our way out to the exit. Right now in the food court. This is the awesome food court. This food court is so cool. This has to be one of the better food courts I've seen in a mall. It's put together very well. The crazy thing though, the floor kind of moves when you're sitting. I don't know why, when people walk by. So that's a little bit different, but yeah, this is such a nice food court. They got a lot of nice restaurants. So there's plenty of variety here. Yeah, we got Karakou Japan. We got all kinds of good stuff here. So let's stroll out. Trying to get Big Guy all situated here. There we go. Energy of the mall. Kind of a laid-back vibe here. This mall. Right now it seems to be more people on this level, the bottom level here. They got the Häagen-Dazs right here, right in the middle of the mall. I'm sure they do quite a business here, quite a lot of business here. It's a good spot for them. Got the Zara, Sephora. It always seems like Sephora lands a lot of great spots in the malls. I don't know if that's strategically what they do or they just get lucky or what. But yeah, it just seems like they get good spots in the mall, like good locations in malls, from what I've seen. They do have a great layout, very bright. It's clubby. Kind of clubby in there. You always feel like you're walking into a club when you go to Sephora. At least I do. Yeah, I almost feel like DJing when I go to the Sephora. So I think I came in this way over here. I think it was this way. I'm not sure. I always never know which way I came in if I don't really know the mall. This is actually our second time here. in this mall. But I'm pretty sure it's up this way to my right. We got the Pop Mart here. The Pop Mart is everywhere. Yeah, from what I know, the mall's closing at 8. $7.43. They got the Uniqlo right here. Auntie Annie's. Every mall has an Auntie Annie's or two, it seems like. Very popular. Spirit Halloween. Wow. It's not Halloween. This is wild that this is open now. Pretty crazy. Okay, I'm not gonna shake his hand. He wants somebody to shake his hand and he's really mad that nobody is shaking his hand. Look at this one.
Oh, Pibry, you look lost. I can help you, but remember my spells come with a hidden cost. Tell me, love, power, money, or love?
Okay, pretty crazy.
Well,
interesting. So Spirit Halloween is open. That's pretty crazy. Because it's not Halloween. It's summertime. But hey, I guess it's cool. Get a jump on it, right? Just never seen that before, but pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, and there's the Auntie Annie's pretzel right there. Okay, came in through this way. Got the AMC right here. Movie spot.
One thing you can turn around first.
Code of conduct. Oh, we can go in out this way. Okay, so there's no automatic door on the way out, just on the way in. All right, such a great day today at the Staten Island Mall in Staten Island today. We got a little better weather out here now. It was really muggy today. And we had a crazy storm for a little while. That seems to be happening more often now. The storms. These short, brief storms seem to be happening. But right now it feels a lot better than earlier today. All right. So thanks for tuning in. And be sure to check out the store. We got the Pibry store. Look at the channel. It's linked to the channel. So yeah, lots of merch going on. I designed a lot of stuff, so we have a lot of everything. A lot of shirts, hoodies, tank tops, hats, everything. Mugs, all kinds of stuff. Definitely look for it there at the channel level. So thank you so much. God bless. See you all in the next one. And if you're not subscribed, would be appreciated if you could subscribe. Thank you so much. Like, share the video. Peace out.